Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can host an Instagram fundraiser. Okay, so I'm going to open up Instagram, and then you just need to go ahead and create a new post. So tap the plus button right there at the top and then tap on post. From here you need to select your photos or anything like that. So let me go to gallery, or let me go to photos and then select any photo as an example, and then tap the arrow at the top right. You can add your filters and so on and so forth. I'll tap the arrow, but then once you get to the posting page, you're going to notice here it says add fundraiser. All you would need to do is tap on add fundraiser, and if this is available in your region, then you'll see that option. You can see it says the fundraiser will be added to your post and be visible in your bio for 30 days. And then you can search for a non-profit or select from one of the popular ones. So let me just select this one for an example, and then you can set up your fundraiser just how you would like it, and then tap on done at the top right hand corner and post your post. And that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.